Hi, it's Tim. We just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine for a customer's 1967 Mustang with the Holley Sniper 2 fuel injection system on there. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We started with a brand new dart block, all forged steel internals. Engine block is painted black with the brass freeze plugs, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads, American made. All the roller rocker arms are fully adjusted and set. Customer has a rack and pinion steering, so he needed the rear sump oil pan. Install that for him. Oil stick and tube. Oil pressure extension on there, all set for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Distributor set in place. We have the red ignition wires, made in USA. 427 badges on there with the Cobra valve covers, chrome breather, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, Cobra air cleaner. This is the Holley Sniper EFI 2 system on there. We'll set up the menu screen, set all the settings for the customer. It'll be plug and play, ready to go. We have the throttle cable ball on there, throttle return spring, throttle cable bracket. We have the Tremec TKX aluminum bell housing on there. McLeod 26 spline clutch on there. Customer's running a TKX 5-speed transmission. We're going to be supplying that. Clutch is all aligned, all set, ready to go. We have the high torque mini starter on there. Russell PCV hose, PCV valve, external fuel pressure regulator. We'll set the fuel pressure to 60 psi. It'll be all set. Heavy duty Russell fuel line, AN fittings going up to the Holley Sniper EFI system. We have the polished Wraptor pulley kit, AC compressor on there, self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, correct thermostat housing for the 67 Mustang, high flow thermostat, coolant bypass hose. We have the proper water pump for the 67 Mustang. Lower hose is on the passenger side, standard rotation, 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there, all set. Every engine is live run and fully tested for 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot. We set the ignition timing. We check for leaks. We'll set up again the Holley Sniper EFI system, the menu screen. All the settings will be set, plug and play, ready to go. So you know when you put this engine in, you know it's 100% perfect. So there you have it again, our 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine with the Holley Sniper 2 fuel injection on there, 67 Mustang. Thanks for watching.